22. Which of the systems described in exercise 1316 are homogeneous equilibria and which are heterogeneous equilibria? Okay, so I pulled up one example from that exercise list. In this case, we have to find out if N2O4 gas, which comes to equilibrium, right? I see the double arrow, with 2 NO2 gas, whether this is homogeneous or heterogeneous equilibria. Well, I wrote down the rules down here. They kind of go back to when we learned homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. The meanings are kind of the same. If you have a homogeneous equilibria, all of the phases are the same throughout the whole balanced equation. If you have a heterogeneous equilibrium, you got to see some differences in those phases in the balanced equation. Now, when I mean phases, I'm talking about the states. States and phases, they kind of use those words interchangeably. That's your solid, liquid, gas, and aqueous. So pay no mind to what the compounds are, just look at your phases. I see that I have a gas, and I have another gas. These are the same. So what do you think? All the phases are the same. I don't have any solids or liquids. So this would be a homogeneous equilibrium. I'm just going to write down homogeneous just so that you don't see me writing, So this kind of quickens it up. But there you go, guys. So this would be a homogeneous equilibrium. Thank you so much for viewing the video. I really hope this helped. Let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel. That will help us out a lot, and I thank you so much for that. I appreciate you guys. You guys have been so kind throughout this whole journey. We're almost at 3,000 videos, and we're almost at 15,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. You guys rock, and I will see you all in future lessons. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.